The many charges against Larry Nassar are infamous on a national level, and that notoriety can be detrimental to the legal process. That's why a judge issued an order to quiet some of the comments down. The goal, to make sure Nassar gets a fair trial. Scott Wolchek sat down with a legal expert who says the order is beneficial for both sides.
Most comments about former Dr. Larry Nassar are negative ones.
He is a monster.
Nightmare. One of the most prolific child molesters in the history of our state.
But you might not be hearing many comments like that after an Ingham County judge signed an order limiting what attorneys and witnesses can say about one of Nassar's criminal cases. Professor of law Anthony Flores says that order is a good thing for Nassar's attorneys because the comments about him are out of control.
There's so much information outside concerning the case. They have to do everything, and the emotion's part of it, to protect their client.
Because with a case as notorious on a national level as Nassar's, it can be hard to find jurors who haven't already decided upon Nassar's guilt.
If I come with my mind already made up about a case and I'm a juror, it's really hard to unring that bell.
Flores says the order is good for the defense attorneys, but the prosecutors shouldn't have a problem with it either.
Legally, you have a duty to be an officer of the court, and you want it to be a fair trial, to be fair in front of the trier of fact.
He says because, like everyone, Nassar is presumed innocent until proven guilty. In Lansing, Scott Wolchek, Fox 47 News.
Professor Flores says with all of the negative comments about Nassar out there, he wouldn't be surprised if his other criminal cases adopt similar gag orders.